everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see 10 lines on my dream school. My dream school is a place where learning is fun and exciting. It has spacious classrooms filled with colorful decorations and smart technology. The teachers are friendly, encouraging, and always ready to help. There is a large library with a wide variety of books for every interest. The school has modern science labs for hands-on experiments and discoveries. It offers a range of sports facilities, including a big playground and swimming pool. Art and music rooms are filled with instruments and supplies for creative expression. The school promotes environmental awareness with a beautiful garden and recycling programs. Extracurricular activities like field trips are part of the regular curriculum. My dream school is a place where every student feels valued and inspired to achieve their best. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe my channel.